Thank you.
Brandon Killoran.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, gentlemen. How are y'all?
Good. How you doing today?
Excellent.
You're charged here with one count of indecent mechanic. That's the misdemeanor of the first degree. Did you see the videotape explaining your plea options?
I did, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those options?
I do not.
How do you want to plead to the charge?
Actually, I just have one quick question as far as clarification on the incident
Okay.
report.
All right.
The way I read the incident report, did it state that I was at City Hall?
I don't know. I haven't read it yet.
Okay.
I'm going to read it and then I'll talk to you about it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm seeing it for the first time.
I understand.
Unfortunately, it looks like about 4 or 5 pages. Might take me a few minutes. Oh, wait, that's another point. You're generating some paperwork, man.
I apologize, it's not my intention.
Not your fault. I think I'm getting the gist here, but
Okay.
let me read the last report, make sure I'm not missing something.
I appreciate it.
No, they're not saying anything happened at City Hall. It was a phone call.
Okay.
Currently, you're complaining about a humming noise that you hear that you find very disturbing.
Yeah.
And apparently the city's basically said to you, there's nothing they can do about it. You have any idea where it's coming from?
The sewage plant, the water treatment plant.
All right.
I've
So they're saying there's nothing they can do about it, and apparently out of frustration, you made a comment along the lines that that's why, that's how schools get shot up and government officials get shot, and that was concerning to them, as though you might be saying to them, you're gonna get shot.
I can see why they would think that, but
So they called the police, and the police did their job to come over and talk to you, but, I mean, I can see how this happens. I can see your point, how you'd be frustrated with that. You live close to the sewer plant?
it's about a mile and a half or so.
Should be far enough away that you're not hearing it, huh?
It should be, yes, sir, but unfortunately, these low frequencies, the way I understand is they can travel through earth, they can travel through buildings, nothing really stops them.
And I understand that that's just particularly disturbing to you with your military background. You said it brings back some memories of Desert Storm. And,
Well, I wasn't in Desert Storm, Your Honor.
well, it says somebody wrote Desert Storm.
Yeah, that's incorrect.
Yeah, that was a little before your time, wasn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
Well, I get it, okay? I can understand why that would be upsetting to you. I don't run the city, I don't have anything to do with public service, I don't know what they can do and not do. I suppose if that's the noise that plant makes, I'm not sure how they can stop it.
Right, I understand, sir. I don't want to get into the particulars necessarily. I don't think this is the place or the time, but I just wanted to understand the context of the charges. With that, all that being said, I definitely emphatically want to plead not guilty.
All right. How long were you in the service?
For 3 years, sir. 15 months, am I right?
Are you employed now?
Not currently, no. Transition.
How long have you been out?
Well, not a transition from the military, just a transition from living space. I relocated from Columbus out here to Zanesville to get away from the city and the chaos.
You got here next to the sewer plant.
Yeah. I probably should have picked a better place. Excuse me.
All right, under plea of not guilty, I'll set the matter for hearing. Look, I understand the frustration, but you need to, if in fact you said what they said you said in this report, you just need to be a little careful with the choice of words, because that can, in today's day and age, with what we see have happened across the country with people getting upset is concerning.
Absolutely. And just so you know, Your Honor, my intention was to educate, and I've got every phone call, every bit of correspondence recorded, and I don't know what the other word is, like on file, basically. All my correspondence I've got records of with the city. I've only gone down physically to the city once to talk to the mayor about one of the dispatchers hung up on me and told me never to call back again when I was calling to complain about the noise at one point.
That's not the way to handle it either.
No, not at all. So I talked to the mayor about that so he could address that, as well as Tim Smith, the code enforcer. He refused to even look into it to see if it even was the sewage plant. He was basically just playing dumb, and I was getting the runaround from the city. And that's what led up to the events on Friday, as well as the fact that I was getting the runaround. They would give me empty promises, promise me for a couple weeks, and then.
All right.
But yeah.
Well, I understand that frustration.
Right.
I'm not sure what they can do about it. If in fact that is coming from the plant and that's a normal noise from the plant, not sure what they can do about it. And they don't, I'm not their boss. They don't have to report to me, but I would think they'd handle it in a little better way than just saying, don't call back here again.
Exactly. I agree, and I hope so too.
And then I would hope that you would handle it in a way not to make them think that you're heading their way.
Exactly. I think there's a lot of it taken out of context, sir, and like I said, I've got all my phone calls recorded. yes, I am all in evidence.
All right. Okay, on your plea of not guilty, I'm going to set this matter for hearing.
Okay.
As you heard me tell that last gentleman, we have hearings on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. Any day of the week better for you?
No, really, that's true. Where's better for you guys?
Well, I'm here every day.
Yes, sir.
Let's do Thursday, the 7th, January 17th.
Sounds good.
So at that time, you going to just represent yourself, or you're going to have a lawyer?
I'm attempting to get a lawyer, sir. If I have to, I'll represent myself.
All right. I mean, it doesn't sound like, I mean, certainly you're entitled to get a lawyer, and 2 or 3 if you want. I'm not sure, this really doesn't sound so much like a legal issue as opposed to just a factual issue. So
Exactly.
you seem to be very articulate. I'm sure you can do it yourself if you choose to, but if you want to have a lawyer, that's fine.
I appreciate it. Yeah, a lot of it's just figuring out the intricacies of the courtroom I'm not familiar with.
Well, I understand that, and I can tell you this, that I mean, I have to follow certain rules, but I certainly respect people trying to represent themselves, and I give people a little leeway. Sometimes when I have an attorney, I'll say you can't do that, but when it's an individual that doesn't understand, I let them kind of do a little bit more. Because what I want to do is get to the bottom, what actually the facts are, and not get hung up over some technicalities. So you make your choice however you want to do it.
Okay, I appreciate
If
it.
you're going to hire one, that's fine. If you're going to want a court-appointed one, if you feel you can't afford to hire one, if you're going to want a court-appointed, you need to come back and see me well in advance of this January 17th. Don't show up the day of the hearing and say, I'd like to have a lawyer. I tried to hire one, couldn't get one. I want a court-appointed one, because I can't appoint you one the day of the hearing.
Right.
Be prepared. So if you're going to ask for a court-appointed attorney, make sure you do it at least a week, 10 days in advance.
Will do.
All right?
All right.
Any questions?
Not at all.
All right, that'll be all. Thank you, sir.
Y'all take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
This one?
And go where you want.